Are you searching for the best 3D electric fireplace? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best 3D electric fireplace in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Remote steam water steam fireplace, extended operating time. With a full water tank, the fireplace operates for 12 to 15 hours, ideal for long-lasting enjoyment. Safety durability. Built with 3C national standard wire, the fireplace ensures durability and safety in daily use. 100% eco-friendly design, utilizes pure water, eliminating the need for traditional fuels like wood and gas. Promoting eco-conscious living. Intelligent water management features automatic water in/out, ensuring efficient use and a hassle-free experience. Versatile flame control offers 6 gears to adjust flame height, providing a customizable ambience to any space. The remote steam water steam fireplace is a modern marvel that combines the ambience of a traditional fireplace with the eco-friendliness of a water vapor system. This innovative fireplace is designed to consume pure water, making it a 100% eco-friendly alternative to traditional wood and gas fireplaces. With no risk of fire, it is a 100% fire risk-free fireplace, ensuring safety for both children and pets. The ultrasonic atomization function converts purified water into fine particles, which are then illuminated by LED lights to simulate the mesmerizing flames of a real fire.